The next bout coming up is a featherweight bout between Abhishek Negi in the blue corner taking on Sham Anand in the red corner.
Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise, making his way to the cage, Sham Anand.
और श्याम आनंद की एंट्री अगर देखें तो बहुत ही कमाल की एंट्री है। बिहार से हैं श्याम आनंद। In the middleweight, let's have a look at this. 177 centimeters, 181 centimeters. श्याम आनंद की 4 सेंटीमीटर की रीच की एडवांटेज है। एज 23, 20 उत्तराखंड से हैं अभिषेक नेगी। दोनों का वेट सेम है।
Ladies and gentlemen, fighting out of the blue corner, he weighed in at 65.5 kilograms, representing Uttarakhand, Abhishek Negi. And his opponent, fighting out of the red corner, he weighed in at 65.8 kilograms, representing Bihar. Make some noise for Sham Anand.
Fighters, follow my instruction all the time. If I say stop, stop the fight. If you want to touch gloves and back.
Both of them look in incredible shape. बड़ा मैचअप है बिहार के सबसे पहले फाइटर श्याम आनंद।
And the action begins. Salil, Sham Anand ने पहले MFN में खेला है and he had a brutal loss to Sanjeet Budwar and he wants to come back. He's been hungry ever since and he's swinging for the fences. Look at that, he's dropped Abhishek Negi. He's controlling Abhishek Negi and this is just the beginning of this bout.
पहले 30 सेकंड्स कई बार डिक्टेट कर सकते हैं कि पहला राउंड कैसा जाएगा, लेकिन इस हिसाब से और अभिषेक नेगी ने बहुत जबरदस्त स्लैम किया, बहुत जबरदस्त।
This is fantastic.
लेकिन अच्छा डिफेंसिव।
Salil, Sham अपनी previous loss के बाद वो घर नहीं गए हैं. He's been training every day. He's been burning with the desire. He's been putting that grit and determination all into fighting just for this fight. Sham Anand यहाँ पे is totally dominating. He's on the mount. He's going for an armbar. That was an attempt for an armbar. Oh, Abhishek is cut open. Ladies and gentlemen, Sham Anand pounding here. Abhishek is cut open. We can see a lot of blood flowing in.
से बहुत खून बहता हुआ और श्याम आनंद ने एकदम पकड़ बहुत मजबूत बना रखी है इस मैच। ओह, he missed it there. अगर ये लग जाता तो मुझे लगता है कि अभिषेक का खत्म हो जाता।
That was crazy elbow. So far it's been clear domination by Sham Anand here. Abhishek Negi needs to do something here, get himself out of that position. Salil, ऐसा होता है कि local circuit में, you can fight as much as you want, but to be here at MFN, it takes a lot of time. And Sham Anand made his debut at MFN.
He might actually stop the fight in case it continues like this, क्योंकि one way traffic चल रहा है श्याम आनंद का सिर्फ। Just not being able to lose the grip. और finally,
we can see a lot of blood here. Both the fighters in the standing position.
आपको अगर blood श्याम आनंद पर दिख रहा है, वो actually अभिषेक का खून है।
Oh, this is crazy. This is crazy. No bloodshed, no glory, no scars, no story. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Matrix Fight Night 7. We assure you a lot of action and Sham Anand dominating all the action here tonight.
Oh,
another
he takes
slam.
Abhishek down.
Another slam.
Complete and utter domination in the first round श्याम आनंद का। और अभिषेक बहुत भारी पड़ रहा है उनको, लेकिन यहाँ पे रेफरी ने पोजीशन रोका।
This has been super crazy. This has been absolutely lit. The grit, determination, blood, sweat, hard work that he's put in over the last 20 months since he lost to Sanjeet.
And non-stop उसके punches जा रहे हैं। Rahul, it looks like once again.
Same thing once again. It was like an action replay.
I have a feeling this time the referee, if he steps in, won't just be separating the fighters. They might just call the fight off.
Less than 30 seconds. Clear one-way domination by Sham Anand representing team ICSA here, led by coach Jitesh Panjan, who's in the corner as well. We can see him smiling. All the way from Taj Falaknuma, specially for you. And exclusively
and that's the end of the first
round,
Rahul. और एक बार फिर से aggressively moving into Abhishek.
But look at Abhishek, despite those massive blows, a lot of bloodshed, he's still standing there.
But he's also moving back, Rahul. I don't see him moving forward and landing a punch. There's no point in just staying in the ring over there and not doing anything about it. There again, he's got him and he's again managed to take him down. एक बार फिर से श्याम आनंद, total domination, and it's an action replay of round 1.
बिल्कुल Salil, ऐसा ही लग रहा है कि एक्शन रिप्ले है जो हमने राउंड 1 में देखा। शाम आनंद वही कर रहे हैं जो उन्होंने फर्स्ट राउंड में किया। नो bloodshed, no glory, no scars, no story. Ladies and gentlemen, this is mixed martial arts.
He's really
MMA.
going at him, Rahul. He's got him in a bind and he's got his right hand free. And Shamanand non-stop fight करते जा रहे हैं. Looks like it's going to be fight and very soon. I think the referee should call this, don't you think?
Well, I think the referee will call it
And it
sooner
looks
or
like-
later.
Yes, I think it's happened. Yes. A big
Ref Ranjit called a stop to this contest at 2 minutes and 44 seconds of round 2, declaring the winner by TKO, Sham Anand.
Let's move on to the main card, which is a featherweight bout between Krishna Heer taking on nobody else but then the first pro fighter from Sasaram, Bihar, Sham Anand.
राहुल, इस फाइट में ये दो फाइटर तो है ही केज में, लेकिन जो तीसरा इंसान है केज में उस पे भी हमको ध्यान देना होगा। वो है फादर ऑफ इंडियन एमएमए डैनियल आइजैक।
Let's go!
All right, I'm excited for this fight. Both these fighters are really heavy hitters.
On the other hand, Sham Anand is orthodox.
Yeah, I just noticed
kick.
that.
What a
the
kick.
southpaw.
बहुत बढ़िया किक शाम आनंद की तरफ से।
Being a southpaw gives you a little bit of an advantage over an orthodox fighter with your right hand on the middle. Yep, he's gonna pushed up against the cage, applying a lot of pressure. Nice, easy break.
बढ़िया काम किया कृष्णा ने डिफेंड करने का और वाइल्ड स्विंग्स। वाओ,
Some heavy shots here by Sham Anand.
Both these guys are swinging wild for the fences. It looks like there's some bad blood here. These guys don't like each other. There's some online feud you mentioned. Some online trash talk. That way there's some bad blood here.
दोनों ही फाइटर्स चाहते हैं ये फाइट जजेस तक ना जाए और हमें ये एनर्जी यहाँ देखने को मिल रही है MFN 8 के केज में। बेहतरीन नी स्ट्राइक और उसके बाद पंचेस। कृष्णा हीर बार बार वापस क्लिंच में लेने का काम कर रहे हैं शाम आनंद को।
He's pushing him against the cage, so giving him no space to get out of there.
बहुत ही हार्ड पंच लगा कृष्णा को और जवाब में कृष्णा ने भी एक लैंड किया।
Both these guys swinging wild.
Krishna looks a little tired. He's backing up.
शाम आनंद के
Shamanand-
पंचेस।
Oh, nice straight.
कृष्णा,
Both these
क्या
fighters
बात
swinging.
है।
Both these guys here swinging wild, swinging for the fences. They're all set for a battle here, a striking battle. Sham Anand once again trying to go for the takedown. Krishna here is defending. We've got less than 2 minutes left in this round. Sham Anand almost gets Krishna here down. Now this is the position that Sham Anand has been looking for. Sham Anand taking in those short elbows, punches. What Krishna needs to do is, he needs to reverse and get out of the position. However, he's pinned down really hard by Sham Anand. Another big right hand here.
कृष्णा की हालत धीरे धीरे खराब होती नजर आ रही है राहुल। यहाँ शामानंद बहुत अग्रेसिवली अटैक कर रहे हैं, कृष्णा के ऊपर बैठे हुए हैं और एल्बोज मार रहे हैं। यही वो एल्बोज हैं जो लास्ट फाइट में इन्होंने यूज करी थी अपनी जीत को हासिल करने के लिए।
Victory. He better enjoy the slugfest, and I think he is doing it. Big hammer fist here by Sham Anand. As I said, Sham Anand
यहाँ
can
खत्म हो सकती है।
walk the walk, talk the
बस
talk.
खत्म हो सकती
That's
है
it.
और हो गई।
That's
रेफरी
it.
डैनियल आइजैक ने कह दिया बस और शामानंद ने अपनी जीत हासिल करी है यहाँ MFN 8 में।
Whoa, we can hear the crowd cheering up for Sham Anand.
Ladies and gentlemen, Ref Dan Isaac called a stop to this contest at 4 minutes and 30 seconds of the first round, declaring the winner by TKO, Sham Anand.
And if I have your permission, let's move on to the co-main event
Yes,
of the
sir.
evening.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sham Anand returns, and this time he's facing Jackie Gehlot.
I've called his fights and he's changed. He says he's changed things up. He's changed the camp. He's taking on one of the most dangerous grapplers, Jackie. He's a veteran in the sport. He's been around for such a long time. I've been following his career. It's going to be interesting to see. But I want to point out one thing, Jason, the size difference.
Both these guys look huge for a featherweight. I mean, I'm trying to wonder how much weight do these guys actually cut.
I can see somebody in the audience screaming, Shama for Shama.
Oh, Shamanan throws in a
body
big right
shot.
hand.
Oh, nice big hand. That's what I was talking about. Jackie's so smart, using his striking to get openings, and once he gets a hold of you,
Massive.
sickening power. Every shot, there's no pawing, there's no jabbing. Everything is full power.
And the best thing is that he can strike as well, besides being a judo guy. Oh man, look at that leg kick.
Heavy, thundering leg kick. Shamanand needs to keep his hands up.
Whoa,
Again.
another big right.
Oh, very nice. Good defense by Shamanand. Leg kick and a right hand.
Though that leg kick, something new from Jackie. I've never seen him kick anybody in my life.
That's a low calf kick, and he's smart to utilize that because see the legs of Shamanand.
He's got very, very small legs compared to his upper body.
And he's trying to keep that range. And
Referee breaks them down. Both these guys on the feet once again.
he might have in a compromising position.
Nice comeback from Jackie, countering,
Again,
closing the
Jackie
gap,
just effortlessly closes the distance.
trying to
Pulls it
get
back
off the cage, but
This is good clinch
good
fighting.
break, good break. Jackie claims he get a low blow, but the ref didn't say nothing.
No, he doesn't care. He looked at the referee for a second, but the action continues. But Shaman and again stiff, hard. Oh, beautiful left hook. Forced the shot out of Jackie.
Yeah, Jackie got rocked.
Oh!
Yep.
Wow, now Jackie's
This
on
is
the
the
ground.
first time I've seen someone take down Jackie Gallo.
He got
He got
rocked.
rocked.
He stiffened
That
up for a
was a
second.
straight shot to the face.
And those brutal elbows from Shaman to the body, I promise you they will break your ribs.
I mean, excellent game plan here.
And just, grab a hold of him and pull him to the ground. So it's interesting fight. Round one, I'd score it for Jackie. Again, that leg kick.
Both these
But
guys
this-
in clinch once again.
But Shaman, and again, the fresher fighter. You can see that from the way he's moving, the way he's recovering.
And, that's it, ladies and gentlemen.
Kind of slow end to a dramatic fight, don't you think?
Yeah.
It
Bit
started off very
anticlimactic.
well, but then the round of domination by Sham Anand literally changed the
A bit
way the fight
anticlimactic though,
ended.
the way it ended. Third round was Jackie trying to establish control, but he
The
just
third
didn't have
round
the
was
strength.
Just Jackie surviving the round.
We go to the judges' scorecards. All three judges scored the bout 29-28 for your winner by unanimous decision, Sham Anand.
जय भवानी जय भवानी नमो